What's up, everybody? My name is Alex, and today we're going to be doing a Try Not to Laugh Dank meme edition with my cousin.
And I have my own YouTube channel, because if you want to check out my channel, search Rachel Mullendor. If you want to check out my channel. Just saying.
Yeah, people are in a sandwich. Here we go.
We've already attempted this.
Do you know the way? And this is a rolling pin.
With this camera, I shoot pictures of people who don't drink Wilkins coffee. I'm ready. Shoot. Anybody else?
You like what? Lyndon.
You're titties, you big fat anime titties.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, num-nums. I can hear the bells. Can you? Stop! I need to concentrate on waiting in line! If you're Patrick, then who's that?
Do you know the way?
Oh, real?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Where is she? Hold on, hold on. You take it. Go.
It feels like somebody
Wants to sell me something!
Why are you crying?
Fix your hair.
Sorry, I'll be right back.
Brush it down. Why are you crying? Trying to brush it. Trying to make it not like that. Okay. I'll do my best. Okay. I'm back. Had to get my shoes on in this.
What you gonna do? Are you gonna go call my mom? I don't have a mom, bitch.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
I'm sorry, it's a savage looking world, I know it is. You have any final words? I'll make it quick.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who's from.
Would you guys consider jacking off to be a sport?
Officer, I got one question for you.
I've actually never had a Tide Pod before, but they are so satisfying. They're squishy. They just feel good in your hands.
A grape fresh from the vine, your ghostliness. A banana peeled to your liking, your incorporealness.
Okay,
talking
I'm
about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. Heard what? Riot out!
You got your phone, Jason?
It's charging. It's not even charging though.
Hero. Hey.
Skirt, skirt, hold up, pull up, take your main hoe, it's me. She gon'
This is some Yankee wallpaper.
The Exeter Cushion, an amazing new flex
sounds
cushion that
hilarious.
supports your backside and spine so well you can sit on an egg.
You want me to sit on this egg? Okay. Can't believe I'm doing this. I don't even feel it.
Are we about to leave? Okay.
Nice save.
This video still has 16 minutes. Yeah, but you can only record 15 minutes.
Aha, stupid monster's too dumb to crouch.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Is it using the bathroom?
Yeah, it's using the bathroom.
Cause we're brothers first. Cause we're peeping through and rapping, it ain't no we don't keep it. You'll always be with me. Change the game without even knowing. And you'll always be my brother.
Okay, we got it in this video here, so